Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP Domains. So the three basic objects for defining data in ABAP dictionary are domains, data elements and tables. The domain is used for the technical definition of a table field such as field type and length, and the data element is used for the semantic definition, short description. A data element describes the meaning of a domain in a certain business context, and it contains primarily the field help and field labels in the screen. The domain is assigned to the data element, which in turn is assigned to the table fields or structure fields. For instance, the MATNR domain, care material number, is assigned to data elements such as MATNR-N, MATNN and MATNR_D, and these are assigned to many table fields and structure fields. Creating domains. So before you create a new domain, check whether any existing domains have the same technical specifications required in your table field. If so, we are supposed to use that existing domain. Let's discuss the procedure for creating the domain. Step 1. Go to transaction SC11. Step 2. Select the radio button for domain in the initial screen of ABAP dictionary and enter the name of the domain. Click the create button and you may create domains under the customer namespaces, and the name of the object always starts with Z or Y. Then step 3. Enter the description in the short text field of the maintenance screen of the domain, and in this case it is customer domain. Note, you cannot enter any other attribute until you have entered this attribute. Then step 4. Enter the data type, number of characters and decimal places in the format block of the definition tab. Press the key on output length and it proposes the display and displays the output length. If you override the proposed output length, you may see a warning while activating the domain, and you may fill in converse, routine, sign and lowercase fields if required, but these are always optional attributes. Then select the value range tab, and if the domain is restricted to having only fixed values, then enter the fixed values or intervals. Define the value table if the system has to propose this table as a check table, while defining a foreign key for the fields referring to this domain, but all these are optional attributes. Step 6. Save your changes. The create object dictionary entry pop-up appears and asks for a package, and you may enter the package name in which you are working. And if you do not have any package, then you may create it in Object Navigator, or you can save your domain using the local object button. Step 7. Activate your domain. Click on the activate icon or press Ctrl+F3 to activate the domain, and a pop-up window appears listing the two currently inactive objects. Step 8. At this point, the top entry labeled DOMA with the name is at SAP_18 is to be activated, and as this is highlighted, click the green button and the window disappears and status bar will display the image object activated. If error messages or warnings occurred when you activated the domain, the activation log is displayed automatically. The activation log displays information about activation flow, and you can also call the activation log with utilities activation log. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.